Hello from Slovenia again. I'm still in this phase, oops, maybe I had too much, that I want to do a double dip or diptych dip with some negative space, kind of, not just that it's deep and it has paint all over, colors all over. Or they look like trees or sideways flowers. So just want to play with this. So I did one on black background with some kind of fall theme, and today I have quite an opposite. I have a spring colors, kind of. I will talk about the colors too, so if you want you can fast forward, of course, but what I realized last dip that I didn't add enough of my base, probably because I would love to have a little different result. I like that one, but want to try what will happen if I add a little more of base that I want to be kind of my negative space. Like Karen would say, something that eyes can rest on. So this is it, and the colors. I will use this ArtAlchemy Opal Magic, and this is permanent red violet, and this is primary elements Payne's gray, and I have pearl white, and I have iridescent gold from PearlEx, and a little bit of Arteza shocking lime green or something. And now I will just torch this real quick for air bubbles, and let's layer some paint, but this time I will not add a lot of paint colors, I have to say. And this is pearl white, Vallejo pearl, not Vallejo pearl medium, just Vallejo pearl medium, and this is permanent red violet. And some iridescent gold, maybe. And this opal. That's it. A little more pearl white. And a little of this Payne's gray. And I will just try to add just a little tiny drizzles of iridescent green. Okay. And now I will press down my other canvas. And I will just put my canvases like this and press it like this. I don't know, I just have to change my camera angle a little bit so that I will kind of press from both sides, or how can I say. Okay, and the moment of truth. Yay! Beautiful. I like this very much. I will just add some white here because I missed some. And then I will torch and just maybe go through just with my I can take you back now. Probably you have a little glare, but you know it's raining here, so let's drag here, here. Wow, I really like it. It's so, I don't know, soft and I really like this diptych, I have to say. I'll just torch a little bit. I just want to show you a close-up these two. I hope that I can capture a little more of these shimmery details that are just gorgeous. See? Just love it. Because you have to film this with your phone to see all this shimmer from these pigments and ArtAlchemy paints. So you can imagine better maybe. And I like the structure, so if it will stay, I don't mind at all. I will probably resin them, and I think that they will look spectacular. So, bye.